Welcome to part 4 of this Welcome to part 4 of this building. Welcome to part 4 of this Powerwheels project. Here I gonna
Shut up.
Hello there. So in part 3 I showed you how I started to make this chassis, and here I gonna try to finish this.
There's a spider there, and this is edible.
So I have quickly installed the engine in the place it will roughly go, and for now I want to build a pipe that goes from this side of the chassis in front of the engine and goes down to the other side. Now I'm gonna take the body, put it over the chassis and have a quick seat in it. Now I'm gonna make a tube that comes on the rear, bends down and connects to that tube.
Six and a half hours later.
Wow! Great!
So we're gonna have a quick seat in it, and I don't like it at all. It's way too small inside. I don't have room for my legs, so I don't know, but I'm still happy because it just looks awesome.
Remember.
So we have new pipes. Now gonna remove this. And this one gonna goes here. More place for my legs.
So I made a new pipe that goes over the engine mount, but I still need to check the height for the body so the hood doesn't collapse with it. So because of the changes I've made, I have a lot more place for my legs and it's way comfortable to sit in there than it was before.
Great! Gonna add a pipe. Let's go from here to there. So I changed out the straight tube for a tube with a bend in it. This to make clearance.
So in part 5 I will be using these beautiful pieces of metal, so make sure you subscribe so you can see part 5 in your YouTube recommendations. Thank you.